In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Lycamobile voucher. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using and redeeming your Lycamobile voucher is a very simple process, regardless of which region you are using Lycamobile in. All that you have to do is follow the instructions presented on the voucher itself. In there, you will have some phone numbers that you have to dial in order to redeem the voucher, so keep that in mind. If you don't have the voucher in hand anymore and you only have the actual code, you will have to call them in their customer support. But if you have your respective voucher for your region, you will find the instructions in there. In this video, I'm gonna use this UK voucher as an example of what you have to do. But like I said previously, depending on your region, you might have to dial certain different numbers. If you are in the UK, all that you have to do is dial *131* and then enter your PIN number followed by a hash. Alternatively, you can also dial 321 or 92# and follow the automated voice prompts. Once again, this is going to allow you to input the voucher number, aka the actual code. Regardless of which method you choose between these two I mentioned, as long as you are in the UK and you input a valid number for a voucher, the credit will be placed on your balance instantly and everything will work as soon as possible. Alternatively, if you encounter any problems while trying to do this, call their customer support in the UK by dialing 322 or 93#. Alternatively, you can also go to their website, but for the most part, this is all you have to do to redeem your voucher. Make sure you follow the exact instructions on the voucher itself, the physical card, and you will be able to redeem it to your balance instantly. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Lycamobile voucher. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.